Hello students, in this video we are solving question 4th of exercise 3.2. In question 4th, which of following pairs of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent? If consistent, then obtain the solution graphically. Firstly, we are given two equations. Firstly, we find these equations are consistent, either consistent or inconsistent. If these are consistent, then we find the solution with the help of graph. If it is these are inconsistent, means it has no solution. Let us start how to do the question. First, x plus y equal to 5, first equation. 2x plus 2y equal to 10, second equation. Compare these equations with general form of this equation. a1x plus b1 equal to constant term c1. Similarly, a2x plus b2y equal to constant term c2. Now compare. Here coefficient of x is a1 in this equation. Now taken first this equation, take as first equation. Now compare of coefficient x is 1. So a1 is 1. Similarly b1 is 1. Coefficient of y is also 1. c1 constant term, here constant term is 5. Now similarly compare second equation with this equation. Now coefficient of here x is a2. Here coefficient of x is 2. Coefficient of y is v2 in this equation. Here coefficient of y is 2. Coefficient constant term is c2 in second equation. Here second equation constant term is 10. We write all these values. Now find the ratios. a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2. Now answers of all ratios are equal. a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2 all are equal to 1 by 2. Therefore all ratios are equal. If all ratios are equal, then you all of know that if all ratios are equal, then there are infinitely many solutions. Then there are infinitely many solutions. Many solutions means the pair of these equations are the pair of linear equation is consistent. Now first part is done. If it is consistent, then obtain the solution graphically. Now we have to draw the graph. Firstly we find the solutions, then we draw the graph. Now find the solution. We are given first equation x plus y equal to 5. First find the solution. Make a box. Write the values of x and y which satisfy the equation, given equation. Write down here x and y. Now put x, both coefficient of both variable is 1, so take an x y as left side and x goes to right side by changing their sign. Now take the value of x. We assume x is 0. If x is 0, put the value of x here 0. 5 minus 0, y is 5. Similarly, put the value of y 0. Now when put the value of y is 0, x plus 0 in place of y, x equal to 5. So x is 5 and y is 0. We get two solutions. Now from the second equation, 2x plus 2y equal to 10. Now find two solutions. Firstly put x equal to 0. Make a table. Put x equal to 0. If we substitute value of x is as 0, then all this become 0. 2 multiplied by 0 as we get 0 plus 2y equal to 10. All this is 0. 2y equal to 10. y is equal to 10 upon 2. That is our answer is 5. If x is 0, then y is 5. Similarly, now substitute value of y as 0. 2yx plus 2y taken as 0. Now y is 0. All terms is become 0. Multiply by 0. All answer is 0. X is equal to 5. Similarly, 10 upon 2. Our answer is 5. Now, if y is 0, x is 5. Now, we are plotting these points on the graph. Now, the solution of first equation is this, and solution of second equation is this. Firstly, we draw the x-axis and y-axis. Now, let us start. Here, x is 0 and y is 5. It is taken as point 0, 5. First point. And second, x is 5, y is 0. Always write first as coordinate of x, then y. Same code. Here x is 0, coordinate of y is 5. And next, x is 5, coordinate of y is 0. Now, first 0, 5 means x taken as 0, y taken as 5. X is 0. Now, y is 5. 5 is positive, so go upward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is our coordinate. This coordinate is 0, x 0, y 5. Now, second coordinate is 5, 0. 5, 0 is x 5, y 0. Firstly, x 5. X-axis x 5. Here x is 5. Now, y is taken as 0. Y is 0 on x-axis. So, this is point coordinate of where x is 5, y is 0. Now, this is a solution of first equation. Now, join these two points coordinates with the help of scale. This is a solution of first equation x plus y equal to 5. Now, again, now second equation 2x plus 2y equal to 5. Solution here, its solution is 0, 5 and 5, 0. First, x is 0, y is 5. X is 0, y 5, we go upward. Here is y 5, so 0, 5. This is the same coordinate. Now 5, 0 is also here. Now we again draw the second line with the help of these coordinates. So our lines 2x plus 2y equal to 10. Both lines coincide each other. We draw this graph, and we have draw the graph. Now from the graph, it is clear that the graph both lines are coincident on each other. So it is so the questions have infinitely many solutions. Now second question, x minus y equal to 8, 3x minus 3y equal to 16. Now first compare with general form of equations. Here a1 is taken, this is first equation and this is second equation. Coefficient of x is 1, b1, coefficient of y is minus 1, c1 is 8. Similarly, a2, coefficient of x in second equation 3 minus 3, c2 is 16. Now find the ratios. A1 upon A2, 1 upon 3, B1 upon B2, minus 1 upon minus 3. So our answer is 1 by 3. C1 upon C2, 8 by 16. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. 1 by 2. Now from the first two ratios, both answers are same. First ratio first 1 by 3 and second is also 1 by 3. But the third ratio is 1 by 2. So A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 upon C2. If first two ratios are equal and third is not equal, then what type of solution is? So there is no solution. No solution means the pair of these equations, pair of linear equations is inconsistent. That's it. So we in this question we do not need to draw the graph, because we know that when we draw the graph, lines will be parallel to each other. So we can't find their solution. Now question number third. Now in third question, 2x plus y minus 6 equals 0, 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Again compare with general form of equations. Now we have a1 is 2 coefficient of x, b1 is coefficient of y 1, c1 is constant term is minus 6. Now a2 is coefficient of x in second equation 4, b2 is coefficient of y in second equation minus 2, constant term in second equation minus 4. Find their ratios. A1 upon A2, 2 upon 4. Our answer is 1 by 2. B1, now B1 upon B2, 1 upon minus 2. Now C1 upon C2, minus 6 upon minus 4. Minus minus cancel each other. 3 2 ja 3, 2 2 ja 3 by 2. Now firstly observe the first two ratios. Now our answer is A1 upon A2 is 1 by 2, but B1 upon B2 is minus 1 by 2. So A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2. If first two terms are not equal, then there is a unique solution. All of you know that when there is a unique solutions, the lines must be intersect with each other. So the pair of linear equations are is consistent. Now in this question we draw the graph, because solution of these equations are consistent. Now we find the solutions. Now we find the solutions from these equations. Now from first equation, 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. First we take y as left side, because coefficient of y is 1. So our calculation become easier by this process. Now minus 6 goes to right side by changing their sign. It becomes plus, minus, plus 2, minus 2x. Now put the value of x is 0 one time, another time y is 0. Now when x is 0, (6 minus 0) y is 6. Make a table. Write down x and y. If x is 0, value of y is 6. Now in second case, take y as 0. Take y as 0 and substitute value of y in this equation. 2x plus y, value of y is 0 minus 6. 2x minus 6 become plus x equal to 3. When y is 0, value of x is 3. Now we find the two solutions. Now again we find the solution of second equation is 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Similarly, put x is 0. Firstly, put value of x is 0. Two y minus 4 equal to 0. 2y equal to 4. Y is equal to minus 4 upon 2 minus 2. So, value of, make a table, write down x and y. If x is 0, value of y is minus 2. Again, put y is 0 in same equation. 4x minus 2, put 0 in place of y, equal minus 4 equal to 0. Now all this is 0. 4x equal minus 4 equal 0. 4x equal to 4. X equal to 4 upon 4 is 1. If y is 0, x is 1. Now y is 0, x is 1. Now we draw the graph with the help of these coordinates. Now take an x-axis, this y-axis. Now let us start. The coordinate of x is 0, y is 6. First is 0, 6 and second is 3, 0 in first equation. 0, 6, 3, 0. 0, 6. X is 0, y is 6. X is 0, y is 6. Our coordinate is here. 0, 6. Now x is 3, y is 0. Y is 0 means x on x-axis. This is our coordinate of first equation. Now join these coordinates with the help of scale. Write down their equation. 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0. Now write the second graph of equation. In second graph, x is coordinate of second graph is x0, y minus 2 first thickness, and if x is 1, y is 0. Now draw these points on graph. X is 0, y is minus 2. So our coordinate is this 0 and minus 2. Now x is 1, y is 0. X thickness 1, y means it lies on x-axis. This is the coordinate where x is 1, y is 0. Now join these two coordinates with the help of scale. Like that. Draw a straight line from these points. Now the graph of second question is this. Write down the equation. 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Now both graphs intersect at this point. Taken this as a any point P, A, we write its name is P. Now find the coordinate of P. Now from the point P, we draw a vertically and horizontal line. Firstly, we draw a vertically line parallel to x-axis by dotted line. Similarly, draw a dotted line parallel to x-axis on y-axis. Now these lines meet at x-axis at point 2 and y-axis at point 2. So our solution is 2 and 2. X is 2, y is also 2. It meets at x-axis at point 2 and it meets at y at point 2. So our solution is 2, 2. Hence x equal to y is equal to is the solution of given equations. Thank you.